spit it. That's good.
I had one on for a second there, but I don't think I hooked them.
I'm gonna mash your barbs just so it's easier,
Yeah.
especially with 3.
Definitely.
You just have to make sure you keep your rod tip up. Is that the biggest trout you've ever caught?
That's definitely the biggest trout I've ever caught.
Oh!
Let him go. It's fine.
He's gone.
This is ridiculous. There shouldn't be trout this big. He's got a lot of fight left in him.
Yeah, it's a big fish. I think we got him. Hold on. Now can I get him? Sweet. Get this. Now that's kind of like the average. Maybe. Yeah, it's about the average. Catch today.
Wow. That's just not even right. Do you want me to set him in the water a little, or?
Yeah.
That is just unreal. Wow. That is ridiculous. There it goes.
It can be your idol. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? The church can be your idol. He's not going to put up with that either. So,
Oh.
work with it. So, again, you got to be discerning of your heart. And always asking the why. God is into the why. I think the greatest example in Scripture is when David's anointed king. And there's a fish, isn't it? Yeah, it's a good fish, man.
Oh man.
Squeeze it too much. There you go. Alright, move your hand down. There you go.
That's a pretty nice one.
Sweet, dude. Alright.
Away it goes.
Yeah. Might hold on to him just a little bit and get him revived.
Wow.
How awesome's that, dude?
That is insane.
Looks like a brook trout to you, maybe. Yes.
Maybe that's what it just feels big because he's a pretty. Have a little more fight in him.
I might have him on the side of the head or something.
I'm afraid you're gonna lose him.
See if we get 2 in 1 net.
Let's see if I can get a picture of you two with both of them. That'd be cool, man.
Yeah, those are some. They're kind of pale. They're not quite as colorful as the brookies that
Well, it's summer.
we're used to seeing, but
Oh, they'll be bright orange, man. Look at that, dude.
Dude, those are a couple of nice fish.
you know, get the coolest camera out of here.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'll switch the spot.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, he's a rainbow.
Heck yeah. That's a nice fish, man.
It just blows my mind when I see these fish.
Nice.
It wasn't even near as big as it was epic fight was. Nice. Hooked at night.
Want to take one quick for me?
Well, you can hand it to me too. I'm back here.
You have to get it up.